Guys, welcome back to Urban Rhino Tutorials. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make some very simple Druzy teardrop earrings. For this particular project, I am using these, what they're calling gemstones. I actually bought these at Hobby Lobby. I will include a link in the description below of where you can buy them, or they might be very similar. And what these are is they have an adhesive back, which I'm just gonna pull off. It'll come off really easily. And I found these open bezels that fit perfectly. So basically, the teardrop Druzy gem will fit inside of it perfectly. And I'm gonna put a little bit of extra glue just to make sure that it stays in place. So I'm gonna open these up, and you could use either the, whichever color you choose. I think I'm gonna use the more gunmetal colored one. So I'm just gonna peel those off. And depending on how you peel them off, the sticky part might come off with it, or it might stay on the paper. And I got it to stay on the paper, so they're not sticky on the back anymore. So actually there's a little, there we go, little piece. So now I have these little gemstones that are so cute, and they're just going to basically fit in here. So I'm going to put the Druzy around it like that, and I'm going to put a little, actually before I do that, I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue just on the inner part, and you could use E6000, which is, in my opinion, probably a better idea. I use the hot glue gun sometimes on my tutorials just because it's gonna set up faster and I can continue on, but either will work. So just like that, make sure you remove any excess. So I just pushed it into place. I just have a little piece of hot glue sticking there. There we go. And so then on the other one, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Put those are so pretty. Put a little bit of hot glue. Again, you could use the E6000, just make sure you let them set up for an hour or so before you start connecting the ear wire. So we've got the hot glue. Press it into place. So that one for sure isn't going anywhere. I'm just gonna peel off the hot glue that's sticking out the back. Again, if you use the E6000, you won't have this problem, but all right, there we go. It's all cleaned up. So these are finished, so cute. And I like these a lot for the fall. These are really pretty as well. I don't know why I just chose that one though. And now all I have to do is just assemble them. So because of the way that my ear wire, the loop on my ear wire is, and the loop on this, I could turn my ear wire so that it, because right now when I connect it together, they're gonna hang sideways. But instead, I think I'm just gonna use a jump ring to connect the two together. I'm gonna use a really small one. I don't want the jump ring to become the focal point of the earrings. So that's why we stick with the smaller ones on something like this. So I'm gonna hook on the Druzy, the pendant here, if I can get a hold of it. There we go. And you wanna make sure that you position your ear wires on the correct way so that the Druzy stone is facing forward and not to the back. No big deal if you get them mixed around, you can always fix it, so. Okay, so there's one that's finished, and see, they will hang forward just like that. And the next one, and these could be, really customized quite a bit. They make so many different bezels now. So, I mean, I'm sure you could find bezels to fit any of these sizes, and you could find different Druzy gemstones as well. So again, hook it on to the pendant, hook on the ear wire, the correct direction, and then close it up. Just kidding, knocked it off. Try that again. All right. And that is it. So I will include links in the description below to these particular supplies. If you have any comments, please, or if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys.